constitutional clarity to the debate. Tensions on the ground have escalated in recent months, including violence against feeders, civic confrontations, and disturbing cases of cruelty. What should be a matter of structured public health policy and lawful implementation has increasingly devolved into fear, misinformation, and conflict. It is time to find the center. We have today put together a forum that brings together leading voices in animal welfare with decades of field experience in animal birth control, a coalition of public representatives including senior leaders and members of the political fraternity across party lines, representatives from the residents' welfare associations who bring on-ground citizen concerns and lived urban realities, senior lawyers and constitutional experts to clarify the legal framework governing street dogs, municipal obligations and citizens' rights. The object is not confrontation, but course correction. For the first time, consolidated data will be presented on the current state of India's animal birth control ABC implementation, budget allocations versus actual sterilization and vaccination coverage, public health implications of disruption of the sterilization and vaccination programs, and municipal accountability gaps. Most importantly, also the rise in violence against feeders and the urgent need for rule of law protection. This is a solutions-first dialogue grounded in science, public health, and constitutional responsibility. India does not need extremes, it needs enforceable policy, humane governance, and practical execution. It is my deepest honor to introduce our panelists today. Renuka Chaudhary ji, who will be joining us shortly, is a senior member of parliament known for her deep empathy towards animals and her consistent advocacy for their protection. She has been a strong supporter of humane, science-based approaches to street dog management and has spoken firmly against cruel and unlawful culling. Throughout her public life, she has emphasized compassion as a core constitutional and moral value, urging authorities to implement animal welfare laws in both letter and spirit. Her voice continues to champion dignity, coexistence, and kindness for India's community animals. Anish Gawande is a writer and translator and perhaps the youngest statesman in the country. He is currently serving as the national spokesman for the NCP, and we are deeply grateful for his commitment to animal welfare and the rule of law. Priyanka Chaturvedi ji is a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha representing Maharashtra. She serves as deputy leader of Shiv Sena in the Rajya Sabha and is among the party's national spokespersons. A member of the Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology and the Consultative Committee on External Affairs, she actively contributes to economic and foreign policy discourse. A vocal advocate for women's empowerment, child rights, healthcare and education, she is known for her principled political journey and strong stance on organizational integrity. Aishwarya, who will be here shortly, is a lawyer. Aishwarya Singh is an arbitrator and advocate practicing before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, the Delhi High Court, and key tribunals including the NCLAT, NGT, and NCDRC, specializing in civil and commercial disputes. With prior experience at leading law firms such as Trilegal and Sharkul Amarchand Mangaldas & Co., she brings strategic clarity to complex, high-stakes matters. She is also among the counsels in the Supreme Court's suo motu matter on stray dogs. Beyond litigation, she is a committed animal rights advocate with over 15 years of experience addressing cruelty, policy, and enforcement issues. Robin Singh is a dedicated animal activist from Dharamsala who has been actively working for the welfare of stray and community animals in the region. He has been closely associated with People Farm, contributing to rescue, rehabilitation, and compassionate care efforts. Through on-ground action, community engagement, and advocacy, he he has become a strong voice for lawful and humane coexistence with street dogs. His work reflects a deep commitment to animal protection as a matter of justice and responsibility. Paulumi Pavani Shukla is a constitutional lawyer, author, and animal welfare advocate known for defending orphan children and India's stray and community dogs. She is the founder of Nyay Nari, India's first law firm dedicated to protecting vulnerable children, women, and animals, and the author of The Weakest on Earth, Orphans of India, published by Bloomsbury. A prominent legal voice on stray dog policy, she advocates for humane, science-based solutions in line with constitutional and animal welfare laws. Her work uniquely frames orphan rights and animal rights within a shared constitutional ethic of dignity, responsibility, and lawful coexistence. Anjali Gopalan. Anjali Gopalan is an environmentalist and animal rights advocate who believes animals are sentient beings deserving a cruelty-free, non-speciest life. She founded the sanctuary All Creatures Great and Small in Silakhari, Haryana, to provide lifelong care, dignity, and love to old, sick, and abandoned animals. She is also the founder and executive director of NAS Foundation India Trust, established in 1994 to support communities afflicted by HIV/AIDS, and currently serves on the Animal Welfare Board of India, AWBI. A Nobel Peace Prize nominee and Ashoka Fellow, she has received numerous national and international honors for her social impact work. Finally, Mr. Anil Goswami, who is the RWA Secretary of the Jangpura RWA. He has been closely associated with evolution of the colony and nearby areas and involved in various initiatives for environment, improvement, and advocacy. I would also like to introduce our moderator and the organizer of today's event, Aditi Anand. She is a film producer, storyteller, and co-founder of Neelam Studios and Little Red Star Films production, including which the productions include The Extraordinary Journey of the Fakir. Bridging North and South Indian cinema, she is known for championing bold, culturally rooted, and politically conscious storytelling. Beyond cinema, Aditi leads initiatives that blend creativity, community, and social impact. We are so lucky to have her in our struggle, leading our struggle to implement people and animal-friendly policies.